Wow, ladies and gentlemen, once again, please give them a big round of applause for a wonderful demonstration of their skill on the final reach. Men's Comedy Open. Ladies and gentlemen, all the audience are requested to be seated there. We will have a closing ceremony. All the audience whosoever are going out, you are requested to be seated there. कृपया अपना सीट में बैठे रहें. हमारा क्लोजिंग सेरेमनी प्रोग्राम है. Finally, we come to the end of third edition of Solon Badminton Tournament 2024. Booming star of the ESBA will be certainly learning some lessons from this sort of demonstration. And this is a big platform for all the young children, those who are devoted to this badminton game. They have been wonderfully doing well. Besides that, this tournament has given them a new experience, new learning. So I hope all the audience have also enjoyed this final match today, displayed here in front of Honorable Chief Guest, Guest of Honor, Special Guest, and different dignitaries over here today, present on the occasion of closing ceremony, third edition Solon Badminton Tournament 2024. Thank you. All the players are requested to please report to the court immediately. Our Honorable Chief Guest, Guest of Honor, will be leaving very soon. They have a very busy schedules. So all the players and the winner teams are requested to report to the court immediately so that we can start the closing ceremony. All the winning teams, audience, ladies and gentlemen, please have your seat, please. We are going to start the program as soon as possible. Even I would like to request umpire, referee, official also to be seated here, along with the line judge. All the line judge and umpire officials are also requested to be seated here. Host team members, please report inside the hall immediately. Well, before we start the programs, I would like to read out the closing ceremony agenda. Welcome speech by Chandra Thapa. Number 2, felicitation to Chief Guest, Guest of Honor and Special Guest. Number 4, public address by President ESBA. Number 5, tournament highlights by General Secretary ESBA. Speech by Special Guest. Speech by Guest of Honor. Speech by Chief Guest, prize distribution by Chief Guest, vote of thanks by Dr. Nida Kangu, declaration of the tournament closed by the Chief Guest, and there will be finally Solon Grand Feast. Taking the privilege of such a great opportunity to be here with all the dignitaries and guests, I on behalf of East Young Badminton Association, Pasighat, would like to welcome our Honorable Chief Guest, MP Tapir Gaoji, and I would like to welcome the Guest of Honor, our Honorable MLA, 38th Constituency, Tapi Daranji. and all other dignitaries present here on the stage. I welcome all the finalist team members and senior members of ESBA. I welcome our ex-president of ESBA, Sardana, and I welcome all the referee officials and umpire who have come all the way from Itanagar to conduct this solemn badminton tournament. They have extended their consent to be the umpire officials of this tournament. So, and all the players, ladies and gentlemen, I welcome all of you on this auspicious occasions of solemn badminton tournament closing ceremony. Thank you. Now the next agenda is felicitation to the chief guest and guest of honor. I would like to request our honorable chief guest to be felicitated by President ESBA. To do honor, I request our President ESBA to honor the chief guest of today's program. This is a token of love from ASEAN Badminton Association. Excellency Sir Tapidara. To do honor, I would like to request our GS ESBA, please. Dr. Guy, the General Secretary, Badminton Association, Pasir. I would like to request our MLA Madam to accept a token of love from ESBA on these auspicious occasions of closing ceremony. So I would like to request our President ESBA to do the honor.
Constituency, E. Garangji, and other dignitaries who have honored. Thank you for being here. You have made us special today. We don't have plan to be a guest of our chief guest earlier, but we are very happy to have this special chief guest today. Really, I am very much thankful to our Gausal who have accepted within a short period of time. He has accepted to be a part of our tournament. Really, it is appreciable to everybody. Really, we were thankful to him that today our tournament is final has been made an extra special by him only. Thank you very much, sir, once again. And thank you everyone who have participated in this tournament. Really, you made us proud. And you have really made our tournament very successful one. We have seen really how you people has played in this tournament. Really, I am very much thankful to you. I hope this will happen in the next year also. I am expecting you to come again. And thank you very much once again. And I have nothing to say. Let's see for the next port edition in the next year, and I have got not much to say. Thank you once again.
Now I would like to proceed ahead. Next, tournament highlights by General Secretary ESBA. Please, sir, take your time.
Good evening, everybody. Honorable chief guest of today's ceremony, Member of Parliament of Arunachal East Parliamentary Constituency, Tapir Gauji, Honorable guest of honor of today's ceremony, Honorable MLA, 38 Pasgadi Assembly Constituency, Tapir Darangji, and all the dignitaries present on the dais, all the participants, all the spectators, and technical team from Arunachal State Badminton Association. As we have already come to know that this is the third edition of this tournament. 2 years back we had a very humble beginning, financed by the Central Salung Committee. And last year we scaled up the tournament involving our neighboring districts. And as a feedback, we got so many calls from outside that they also are interested to participate in this tournament. That's why this time we had scaled up the level of our tournament, and we try to involve everybody. And as a result, we have seen such a big turnout, and this has been such a big motivation for us. Briefly, let me highlight. We had players from outside of the states like West Bengal, Nagaland, Manipur, and so many teams from Assam. All total in men's singles open, we had 32 players. In men's doubles open, we had 72 players. Men's doubles 35 plus, we had 72 players. Men's doubles 45 plus, we had 40 players. Mixed doubles open, we had 32 players. And in women's double, we had 14 players. So I believe this has been on a state level scale, the tournament has been, and we have been getting commendation from various corners. And I believe all the participants are satisfied with the neutrality and the fairness that we try to have throughout the tournament. For that we hired certified and trained personnel from Arunachal State Badminton Association. They have done a commendable job throughout the tournament. I believe all of the players and participants are really satisfied with your judgment. There may have been some human errors, that is possible even with the international level personnel, but I believe the level of judgment have been outstanding. Thank you so much. And finally, it has always been our effort to scale up the level of the tournament every time. Our desire is that the people outside will know about Pasighat and Isiang through this tournament. That's why we believe next time also we'll try to scale up our tournament, and we believe there will be much more participants. Once again, thanks all of you, and please join our Salung feast after this program ends. Thank you everyone.
Thank you, sir, for such a wonderful, address and highlights about the tournament. Now, I would like to proceed ahead. A speech by guest of honor. So, I would like to request our guest of honor of this program to have a few words with us.
Thank you. Badminton tournament is badminton association saya honorable representative Asian badminton association president और उसका executive member और हम लोग के साथ प्रेसिडेंट अपने हैं और उससे अखिल तरह से और प्रोग्राम ASM है और ये कॉमेंट पर और जब भी हम लोग के साथ में तमाम इस डिस्ट्रिक्ट का ओलंपिक एसोसिएशन का प्रेसिडेंट है। तो सबसे पहले ये ऑर्गेनाइजर को हम थैंक यू देना चाहते हैं। सर, मेरा लाइफ में फर्स्ट टाइम ये ऐसे में खेलते हुए यहाँ पे गए, इसके लिए हम लोग को बहुत ही धन्यवाद देना चाहते हैं। लास्ट ईयर भी हम यहाँ पर आए थे, ये पंजाब में आए थे, इस बार में गए थे, स्टैंडर्ड काफ़ी आगे हो गए हैं। शायद आने वाले दिन में और ज़्यादा अच्छा खिलाड़ेगा होगा। तो मैं ये एपिसोड को बता देना चाहता हूँ, ये जो बैडमिंटन कोर्ट है ये कोई गवर्नमेंट पार्टी वाला बैडमिंटन कोर्ट नहीं है। ये जब मैं यहाँ का मेंबर यहाँ पार्टिसिपेट करता हूँ, जो इस बैडमिंटन एसोसिएशन का जितना मेंबर लोग है उनको अपना पॉकेट से और वेल वेसर से पैसा देके ये इवेंट बोर्ड में किया है, उससे ये सब क्या है वो अपना ये कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन और अपना डोनेशन से किया है। इसलिए उन लोग को ये स्पोर्ट्स को स्पेशल बैडमिंटन को ये डिस्ट्रिक्ट में और पासिंग में आगे बढ़ने के लिए इतना रुपये पैसा करते हैं, बहुत ही अच्छा बैडमिंटन कोर्ट बना दिया है। इसलिए उन लोग को मैं धन्यवाद देना चाहता हूँ। और सर अगला साल हमको माने से हमको न्यू बैडमिंटन कोर्ट में खेला सीखना होगा। उधर लोगों ने ये स्मार्ट सिटी से एक तो नया बैडमिंटन कोर्ट बना रहा है, उधर भी कोर्ट होगा, शायद उसका हाइट थोड़ा कम है, जैसे सुविधा मिला है। इसलिए जितना भी इस बार हम लोग बाहर से आए हैं हम लोग को अगले साल में वेलकम करता हूँ। और हम लोग यहाँ में आके हम लोग का यहाँ का जितना भाषा का बैडमिंटन प्लेयर्स हैं उन लोग हम लोग का खेल करके से हम लोग भी काफ़ी सेटिस्फाई हुआ होगा। हम लोग टाइम नहीं मिलता है इसलिए हम देख नहीं पाए, लेकिन आज आके भी ट्रेन में हम विजय में हैं और ज़्यादा तो हम लोग बात नहीं कर रहे। ये रात भी हो गया और ऑफिसर को दूसरा जगह में प्रोग्राम भी है, इसलिए हम लोग जितना भी बाहर से आया है हम और हमारे बासीगढ़ की तरफ से हम लोग को बासीगढ़ में मैंने वेलकम करते हैं। और अगला बार भी हम जैसे ये प्रोग्राम में पार्टिसिपेट करने से अच्छा है कि हम रिक्वेस्ट करते हैं और ये ऑर्गेनाइजर कमेटी को हम धन्यवाद देते हुए मेरा बात यही समाप्त करता हूँ। सबको थैंक यू।
Speech by Chief Guest. So I would like to request our Honorable Chief Guest, Kapil Rao, to have a few words with us.
आप सबको सलूट देने आगाम है। प्रेसिडेंट सेक्रेटरी ऑफिस बेयरर्स, एशियन बैडमिंटन एसोसिएशन और हमारा साथ ये सब मनार इंजीनियर आराम साहब और उसका बेहतर हाथ डॉक्टर नारायण और हमारा बीच में ओलंपिक एसोसिएशन से भी जुड़ा हुआ है अहमद कामो और हमारा सीनियर सिटीजन भी हमारा साथ है। रेफरी लाइन में यहाँ जितना आपने ऑर्गेनाइज किया है 3rd एडिशन ऑफ ये पासीघाट सलून फेस्टिवल सलून बैडमिंटन को रियली आई एप्रिशिएट ऑल द पार्टिसिपेंट्स। অসমৰ পৰা অহা মানুহক মই নমস্কাৰ জনাইছোঁ আৰু মণিপুৰৰ পৰা मणिपुर से आने वाला को गुरुंजरी बहुत अच्छा है। I don't want to induce politics in sports. लंबा लेक्चर मारेंगे ऐसा नहीं है। Rather, we politicians should get aspirations from the sportsmen and we should maintain sportsmen spirit in politics. The difference between sports and politics is in politics we don't get second prize, but in sports you have the opportunity to get second prize. Really, I appreciate all the participants. It is learned that from West Bengal and from Meghalaya, Nagaland, all the participants, they were also present here. With this span of short time, the oldest city in Arunachal Pradesh, this Pasighat is more than 100 years, since 1911. The spirit of Pasighat should bless you all, those who came here to participate in this Solung Badminton Tournament. And I wish that you should enjoy Solung Festival, what our General Secretary, Isyang Badminton Association General Secretary said. Now tonight you are going to enjoy the Solung Festival. इसलिए मैं आप सभी को ये कहना चाहूँगा, और while I imagine myself that I am watching the Olympic badminton tournament, all your, the speed of your playing, the stamina that you are maintaining, and the techniques you are playing on the game, really I appreciate each and every one of you. We are so unlucky. You will surprised to know, when I reached secondary school, 9 and 10, first time I could see the badminton. The sense of time, we have got all the opportunities in front of us, avail it. Other than football and volleyball, we have never seen such kind of badminton, racket, ball, all this. I have seen in my life first time when I reached in class 9. Our education school is just in the forest. इतना mountainous area में badminton कभी देखा ही नहीं था. So I wish each and everyone, all of you must avail the facilities. It is available today. And a message should be carried from this game that we should avoid drugs. Our entire northeast is engulfed with drugs. Many youths have died, many are affected. Today also I have inaugurated a drug addict rehabilitation center in Lower Dibang Valley. I have seen there were 12 addicted persons. I asked them, do you have children? किसी ने बोला, I have 3 children. किसी ने बोला, मेरा 7 बच्चा है. किसी ने बोला, मेरा 5 बच्चा है. The situation is changing. That's why I request each and every participant on this tournament must carry a message that we must avoid the drugs, and each and every game. To avoid the drugs, a message should be on your board. Whenever you write anything, avoid drugs, and we must give up these drugs. This message should be with the sports spirit. तो অসমৰ পাৰ্টিচিপেণ্ট চবক দেখি কিনি বিহু বিহু লাগিছে. আজি सोलुং फेस्टिवल याद ये करो. और मणिपुर से आने वाला अब लोगों को भी मैं अप्रिशिएट कर रहा हूँ. We are facing a very bad situation in Manipur. In spite of that, you are keeping up this sportsman spirit in spite of the disturbance. I wish that Manipuri should go abroad also, because in sports, Manipur are the torchbearer of Indian Olympics. That's why you must keep up it and you must maintain it. तो हमारा अरुणाचल जितना पार्टिसिपेंट्स है, आप सभी को भी मेरा ये रिक्वेस्ट है, आप दिल से खेलिए. The world and the sky is open. There is no limit. Strengthen your feeders, fly high, and participate in national and Olympic games in future from Arunachal Pradesh. I wish best of luck and happy Solung again to all the participants tonight. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir, for your wonderful advice to all the participants and committee members as well. Now our next program is prize distribution, and so we would like to request our honorable chief guest to give away the prize to the winners. So we have 6 event and men's single open, mixed double open, men's double 45 plus, women's double open, men's double 35 plus, men's double open. These were the 6 events that we have conducted during this tournament, Solong Festival tournament. And so finally we got all the finalists here tonight, sitting out here. So I would like to request the winner teams and the runners-up teams to come on the stage to receive your prize wherever I call your name. I would like to start prize distribution with men's single open runners-up. The first runners-up of men's single open. I would like to request the players to please come on the stage to receive the prize. Men's single open first runner-up. So
Impar north, west, south, west.
ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together to give a round of applause. Where is Nanda? The first runner-up men's single open. In the page of
Very good. Solo.
So he's the guy. So he's the champion of men's single open 2020. Next, I would like to present mixed double open first runner-up from Alo. Vikas Nipu and Damini Thakur are the runner-up of mixed double open.
अच्छा कहाँ से? हेलो इधर इधर आ जाओ अरे इसको पकड़ो
Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together to appreciate them.
सो के ले जाना
They were the next Nico. They were the next double champion.
एकदम से मस्ती कहाँ से? अच्छा पकड़ो हाँ इधर एक हाथ में दो हाथ पकड़ो और ये भी प्राइस के लिए प्राइस को पकड़ो
Men's double 45. I would like to call the runners-up to come on the stage to receive the prize from Chief Gates, prize and Gates Money Award seal as well. Side and Gay. They are from Assam. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together to give them a big round of applause. Sign and then from Assam. Women's double open. Women's double open category. Oh, sorry, I beg your pardon. So, men's double 45 plus. Winner are requested to come on the stage to receive the prize from the chief guest. Vijay Chandra and Vinod Kanwar from Assam. 45 plus, next double 45 plus. Both of them are from Bengal. Double open, women's double open. So I would like to call runners up to come on the stage, sir. Meena and Ashwinanto.
Very good.
Women's double open champion, Germany and Nita, please come on the stage to receive the prize.
इधर सामने आओ एक इधर पकड़ के इसको आ जाओ चलो इसको पकड़ो ओके अच्छा आ रहा है
Please give them a big round of applause. They have also displayed the wonderful skill of badminton. Thank you, sir. I'd like to request our honorable guest of honor to give away the prize. Now, the men's double 35 plus runners up. Men's double 35 plus runners up. D. Gay and M. Hajarika. Please come on the stage. D. Gay and M. Hajarika. Men's double 35 plus runners up. I would like to call men's double 35 champion, men's double 35 winner. Winners are Abhijit and Divajati from Assam. Abhijit and Divajati from Assam. Thank you. Men's double open. The runner-up men's double open is runner-up. Both of them are also from Assam. Men's double open runners-up. Is none other than the men's double open champion, Ronan and Nanda. Bottom thanks by Dr. Nidan Amun. So I would like to call Sir Dr. Nidan Amun to take your time, please.
Many competitions to the winner. Ladies and gentlemen, as we have come to the end of the three wonderful days event, on behalf of the organizing committee and the Christian Technical Association, I'd like to extend the vote of thanks. At very outset, I would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to the chief guest, Honorable MP Thakur Gawaji. Despite his busy schedule, Sir could come to grace this occasion. Thank you very much. And I must tell you that we are in the formative stage and we'll be needing your guidance, support in the days and years to come. Thank you, sir, once again. And my sincere thanks goes to the guest of honor, Sri Tapir Darangdi, Honorable MLA, 38 Pascal East Assembly Constituency. Sir, thank you for coming here despite so many hectic schedules, public meetings, public schedules. You have made yourself available amidst us. And as I already said, we are in the initial stage of this district association will be looking forward for help, guidance, and will be coming to you in days to come. Thank you, sir. And I must extend my thanks, sincere thanks to all the dignitaries, other dignitaries of the dais. Thank you very much for coming and gracing this availability event. And a wide round of applause and thanks to all the winners and the participants for making this event a wonderful one. And I hope you have enjoyed this 3 days event. And next year also we are hopeful of seeing you again with same enthusiasm. Thank you very much. A special thanks to one and all who have contributed and sponsored the event in the form of cash as well as kind, and make this event a successful one. And I must thank the judges and the umpires who have all the way came from Itanagar and other places for organizing this event, and you have done this so wonderfully. Thank you very much. And I must thank the volunteers, the organizing committee for making this event a successful one. And this has been a very smooth 3 days event. And this we hope to see next year also, and all the coming years we hope to see this type of organization. Thank you very much. And all the well-wishers, those whom I have forgot to mention, those who are behind the scenes, I must thank each and every one of them and for making this event a successful one. Thank you.